Air 1, right now he's walking through the trees, kind of heading eastbound to, I'm looking on the FLIR, so I don't know what the big building is to the east, but he's walking eastbound in the trees.
10-4, Frank 702, if we can also get somebody to go to 801 East William Cannon behind the academy.
704, I'm going to route that way. 204 and 206 are on the academy side.
Okay, yeah.
Canyon and route right.
Jesus.
10 format Mainer and 35.
Air 1, all right, he's stopped moving east. He's actually running south. I guess that's towards Chaparral. We're still keeping an eye on him.
All right, he's about to go into that apartment complex to the south.
I'm flashing my flashlight up at you right now. Can you tell me how far away approximately he is from this flashlight?
He's about to come right into this apartment complex.
He's about to walk into an apartment complex here. I think I see a unit sitting there and an officer out. If you guys go in that complex and then turn to your right, he's on the tree line coming into the that complex.
That's going to be 6808. I'm going 23, 704.
You want me to light him up or no?
No, hold off.
Oh, 7, I'm there.
All right, he's right under the power line.
We're going to get close.
Walking north under the power lines?
He's walking east under the power lines.
Okay.
1638.
Air 1, he's right underneath the power lines. I guess that's the northwest corner of that complex. Just outside the little, there's like a U-shaped driveway. And there looks like there's an officer right there. He's just, if that's a fence, he's running back towards the north. If you guys can get over that fence, he's just inside the trees there. Light him up. All right. And he's ducked down trying to hide from y'all, and he's laid down. I think he knows he's caught. We're going to put the light on him. Just keep walking straight ahead where you're at. He's over the fence in the trees.
Where's he at now?
He'll be laying down right over here somewhere.
All right, because I can't see him in the light, so.
Here, hold on.
He's moving again.
No, he's not. He's still laid down. Air 1, unit, you're shining your light right at him. He's probably about maybe 10 yards in front of you. You're almost right on top of him, just a few feet away. And Air 1, I got at least one officer out with him right now.
I can't see where he is on the light, Kevin.
204 in custody,
10-4 in custody at 1248.
That's going to be him then.
Right on, good job.
Got one.
7,